In this video lecture, we are going to discuss multiple choice question and its answers from the topic steam boilers. Question number 181. The safety valve at superheater as compared to drum safety valve setting is at option A higher value, option B lower value, option C same value, option D any value. Answer option B lower value. Question number 182. For combustion of fuel, following is essential. Option A correct fuel air ratio, option B proper ignition temperature, option C oxygen to support combustion, option D all the three above. Answer option D all the three above. Question number 183. The efficiency of a boiler is defined as option A ratio of heat actually used in producing steam to the heat liberated in the furnace, option B ratio of the mass of steam produced to the mass of total water supplied in a given time, option C ratio of the heat liberated in the furnace to the heat actually used in producing steam, option D none of the above. Answer option A ratio of heat actually used in producing steam to the heat liberated in the furnace. Question number 184. The safety valve on boiler drum compared to safety valve on superheater is set at option A same value, option B higher value, option C lower value, option D lower or higher depending on steam flow. Answer option B higher value. Question number 185. Degree of reaction is defined as the ratio of option A heat drop in fixed blades to the heat drop in moving blades, option B heat drop in moving blades to the heat drop in fixed blades, option C heat drop in moving blades to the heat drop in fixed blades plus heat drop in moving blades, option D heat drop in fixed blades plus heat drop in moving blades to the heat drop in moving blades. Answer option C heat drop in moving blades to the heat drop in fixed blades plus heat drop in moving blades. Question number 186. Film boiling occurs at option A very low pressure, option B atmospheric pressures, option C medium pressures, option D very high pressures. Answer option D very high pressures. Question number 187. An air preheater is installed option A before the economizer, option B before the superheater, option C between the economizer and chimney, option D none of these. Answer option C between the economizer and chimney. Question number 188. Coke is produced by option A pulverizing coal in inert atmosphere, option B heating wood in a limited supply of air at temperatures below 300 degrees centigrade, option C strongly heating coal continuously for about 48 hours in the absence of air in a closed vessel, option D enriching carbon in the coal. Answer option C strongly heating coal continuously for about 48 hours in the absence of air in a closed vessel. Question number 189. A safety valve mainly used with locomotive and marine boilers is option A lever safety valve, option B deadweight safety valve, Option C, high steam and low water safety valve. Option D, spring loaded safety valve. Answer option D, spring loaded safety valve. Question number 190. In a throttling process, option A, steam temperature remains constant. Option B, steam pressure remains constant. Option C, steam enthalpy remains constant. Option D, steam entropy remains constant. Answer option C, steam enthalpy remains constant. Question number 191. Efficiency of Rankine cycle can be increased by option A, decreasing initial steam pressure and temperature. Option B, increasing exhaust pressure. Option C, decreasing exhaust pressure. Option D, increasing the expansion ratio. Answer option A, decreasing initial steam pressure and temperature. Question number 192. Which of the following is a water tube boiler? Option A, locomotive boiler. Option B, Cochrane boiler. Option C, Cornish boiler. Option D, Babcock and Wilcox boiler. Answer option D, Babcock and Wilcox boiler. Question number 193. The selection of type and size of steam boiler depends upon option A, power required and working pressure. Option B, the geographical position of the powerhouse. Option C, the fuel and water available. Option D, all of the above. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 194. In natural circulation type boiler, option A, heating takes place at bottom and the water supplied at bottom gets converted into the mixture of steam bubbles and hot water which rise to drum. Option B, water is supplied in drum and throwdown comers located in atmospheric condition. It passes to the water wall and rises to drum in the form of mixture of water and steam. Option C, feed pump is employed to supplement natural circulation in water wall type furnace. Option D, water is converted into steam in one pass without any recirculation. Answer option A, heating takes place at bottom and water supplied at the bottom gets converted into the mixture of steam bubbles and hot water which rise to drum. Question number 195. A dash in a boiler is used to put off fire in the furnace of the boiler when the level of water in the boiler falls to an unsafe limit. Option A, blow off cock. Option B, fusible plug. Option C, stop valve. Option D, safety valve. Answer option B, fusible plug. Question number 196. The ratio of heat utilized to produce steam and the heat liberated in furnace is known as option A, boiler effectiveness. Option B, boiler evaporative capacity. Option C, factor of evaporation. Option D, boiler efficiency. Answer option D, boiler efficiency. Question number 197. The blade friction into the impulse turbine reduces the velocity of steam by dash while it passes over the blades. Option A, 10 to 15%. Option B, 15 to 20%. Option C, 20 to 30%. Option D, 30 to 40%. Answer is option A, 10 to 15%. Question number 198. The height of chimney in a power plant is governed by option A, the draft to be created, option B, limitation of construction facilities, option C, control of pollution, option D, quantity of flue gases to be handled. Answer option C, control of pollution. Question number 199. The fittings mounted on the boiler for its proper and safe functioning is a option A, water level indicator, option B, pressure gauge, option C, safety valve, option D, all of these. Answer option D, all of these. Question number 200. Presence of moisture in fuel oil would. Option A, keep the burner tips cool. Option B, aid in proper combustion. Option C, because sputtering, possibly extinguishing flame. Option D, cleaning the nozzles. Answer option C, because sputtering, possibly extinguishing flame. Thank you.